Phone fear? You're not alone. Master calls with Ruar Infinite. Hey everyone, it's your friend Waleed Risk. Welcome to Ruar Infinite. We're thrilled to have you here with us today because, let's be honest, how many times have you picked up the phone and struggled to keep the conversation flowing? Whether it's for work, personal matters, or just a quick check-in, mastering phone conversations is essential. And today, we're going to show you exactly how to take charge of every call, from answering with confidence to making sure your message is crystal clear. Thank you for taking my call. He expresses his gratitude sincerely. Waleed, thanks for making time to speak with us today. The interviewer sounds friendly and welcoming. The interview progresses, and Waleed confidently answers each question, using clear and concise language. He feels his confidence growing with each response. He remembers to smile while he speaks, even though the interviewer can't see him. This small act helps him stay positive. This helps him sound more approachable and enthusiastic. His tone reflects his genuine interest in the role. Waleed, do you have any questions for us? The interviewer invites him to engage further. Yes, I do. Waleed responds eagerly. I'm curious to learn more about, asks a specific question about the company or the role. He asks a thoughtful question, showing his genuine interest. The call ends on a positive note. Waleed feels a sense of relief and accomplishment. Waleed feels a surge of confidence. He aced it. His preparation and positive attitude paid off. By using simple phrases and focusing on his tone, he projected confidence and made a great impression. Waleed knows he gave it his best shot. Ever felt stuck on the phone, unsure of what to say? Let's turn the tables. It's Monday morning, and Ruar is handling a critical business call. She doesn't hesitate. Good morning, this is Ruar. I'm calling to confirm our meeting for Wednesday. Clear, direct, no room for confusion. At the same time, Waleed's phone buzzes. It's an urgent call from his internet provider. He answers confidently. Hello, this is Waleed. I'd like to resolve an issue with my connection. No fumbling. He's straight to the point, taking control of the conversation. Now imagine Ruba waiting for a taxi outside a busy mall. She calls the driver. Hi, this is Ruba. I'm at the front entrance. Could you confirm how far you are? Even in chaos, she keeps it calm and professional. And what about Owais? He's pretending to call his best friend. Hey, this is Owais. Want to play after school? He's learning, practicing, and having fun all at once. Each situation is different, but the approach is the same. Ruar securing deals, Waleed troubleshooting like a pro, Ruba navigating daily life, and even Owais mastering the basics. It's all about using the right phrases at the right time, turning every phone call into a win. It's a busy afternoon, and Ruar is juggling tasks. Her phone rings. It's a client with an urgent request. Without missing a beat, she answers. Hello, this is Ruar. How can I assist you right away? Boom, instant control, and she's got their full attention. Waleed, on the other hand, is handling a tricky call with a customer service rep. He's patient, but firm. Good afternoon, this is Waleed. I need assistance with my recent purchase. No frustration, just cool, composed, and clear. Meanwhile, Ruba is booking a doctor's appointment. She calls the clinic and says, Hi, this is Ruba. I'd like to schedule a checkup for Thursday, please. Quick, efficient, and with a polite tone that gets her exactly what she needs. And little Owais, practicing his call etiquette, dials up his cousin to play pretend. Hey, this is Owais. Can we meet up this weekend? He's not just playing around. He's learning how to communicate effectively, just like the pros. Different scenarios, same smooth execution. Whether it's Ruar managing her work, Waleed navigating customer service, Ruba getting things done, or Owais just starting out, they're all using the magic of key phrases to own every phone conversation. Ruar to the rescue, handling a difficult customer. Ruar works in customer service and she's dreading her next call. The customer on the line is irate. His order arrived late and he's letting Ruar know it. This is unacceptable. I've been waiting for my order for days. I understand your frustration, sir, and I apologize for the delay. Let's see what we can do to fix this. Ruar remains calm and listens attentively to the customer's complaint. She avoids interrupting, even though she wants to explain the situation. I need this order today. It's for an important event. I understand. Let me check the status of your order and see what options we have available. Ruar takes charge of the situation, offering solutions and reassuring the customer that she's there to help. By the end of the call, the customer's tone has shifted from anger to relief. Ruar's calm demeanor and problem-solving skills have saved the day. Ruba's networking win. Making a great first impression. Ruba wants to expand her professional network, but the thought of cold calling makes her nervous. She knows that making a great first impression is crucial, but the fear of rejection looms large. She decides to take the plunge and call a contact she met at a conference. She takes a deep breath, reminding herself of the potential opportunities this call could bring. Hello, is this contact's name? My name is Ruba, and we met briefly at the conference name last month. I was really impressed by your talk on specific topic. Yes, I remember. How are you, Ruba? I'm doing well, thank you. I hope you're doing well too. I was hoping to chat with you further about your work and mention a specific area of interest. Your insights were really inspiring, and I'd love to learn more. Would you be available for a quick call sometime next week? Perhaps we could discuss potential collaborations or share ideas. Ruba keeps her tone conversational and to the point. She makes sure to sound enthusiastic and genuinely interested in the conversation. She clearly states her purpose for calling and suggests a specific time frame. This shows that she values the other person's time and is well prepared. That sounds great, Ruba. How about Tuesday afternoon? I have some time then. Ruba successfully schedules a call, feeling proud of herself for taking the initiative. This small step has boosted her confidence significantly. It's mid-morning, and Ruba is in the middle of preparing a big presentation when her phone rings, an unexpected client call. She doesn't flinch. Good morning, this is Ruba. I'm currently in a meeting, but I'd be happy to assist you. Can I call you back shortly? She's polite, professional, and keeps control of her time. Waleed is in the middle of a hectic day at work when he gets a call from the bank. He picks up, staying cool. Hello, this is Waleed. I'm calling to review the details of my account, please. No small talk, no confusion. He knows exactly what to say to get straight to the point. Then there's Ruba, standing outside the grocery store, when she remembers she needs to change a reservation. She dials the restaurant and confidently says, "Hi, this is Ruba. I need to make an adjustment to my booking for this evening." No stress, no hesitation, just clear communication that gets results. Even Owais is in the mix. He's using his toy phone, calling his imaginary business partner. "Hello, this is Owais. Let's talk about our project for tomorrow." He's learning how to handle calls with confidence, building skills for the future, one pretend call at a time. Different places, different challenges, but it's always the same game plan. Whether Ruba is managing a client, Waleed is taking care of personal matters, Ruba is juggling daily life, or Owais is just starting to practice, the power of effective phone conversations stays the same. Keep it sharp, keep it clear, and watch how the right words turn every call into a success. By using simple phrases and projecting confidence, she's taken a big step in building her professional network. This experience has taught her that sometimes all it takes is a little courage to open new doors. Even ordering food over the phone can be nerve-wracking for some. Owais often feels flustered, struggling to articulate his order clearly. But this time, he's determined to do it with confidence. "Hello, I'd like to place an order for pickup, please." "Sure, what would you like to order?" "I'll have the clearly states the name of the dish, with a side of specifies the side dish, and orders a drink." Owais speaks slowly and clearly, making sure the restaurant staff understands his order. He double-checks the order before hanging up. "Okay, that's all, thank you." He feels a sense of accomplishment. Ordering food might seem like a small victory, but it reinforces the power of clear and confident communication, even in everyday situations. As we see from our friends' experiences, mastering phone conversations is about more than just the words we say. It's about projecting confidence, clarity, and a genuine desire to connect. By incorporating a few simple phrases and techniques, we can transform our phone interactions from dreaded chores into opportunities for success. Remember these key takeaways. Believe in yourself and your ability to communicate effectively. Speak slowly, enunciate your words, and get straight to the point. Have a clear idea of what you want to say before you dial or answer the phone. The more you use the phone, the more comfortable you'll become. With a little effort, you can conquer your phone fears and communicate with confidence in any situation. Want to take your phone skills to the next level? Ruwa Infinite is here to help. We offer a wealth of resources to empower you to communicate confidently and effectively. Visit our website ruwainfinite.com to discover for handling any phone conversation with ease. including helpful phrases and conversation starters, designed to boost your confidence and refine your phone skills. Let Ruar Infinite be your guide to mastering the art of conversation, one phone call at a time. Don't let phone anxiety hold you back. Embrace the power of your voice and unlock a world of opportunities. By mastering the art of phone conversations, you can and land your dream career with clients, colleagues, and loved ones with grace and ease, and enhance your communication skills. Remember, every phone call is a chance to connect, to make an impact, and to achieve your goals. So pick up the phone with confidence and let your voice be heard. With Ruar Infinite, learning English is just a click away. Don't forget to visit our main page at ruarinfinite.com for updates on online English classes, books, lessons, articles, sessions, and even online shopping for your favorite colors and designs. Discover more, enhance your skills, and open new doors with Ruar Infinite. Visit our shop page to explore this and more, including other courses, books, and resources. Elevate your English skills and improve your everyday communication. Whether you're starting from scratch or aiming for fluency, our tailored lessons make learning simple, effective, and fun. Seats are limited, so book your spot now at ruainfinite.com/contact for flexible timing and affordable rates that work for both of us. Visit ruainfinite.com today to start your journey. Our online courses, lessons are designed to be flexible, reliable, and fast-paced, allowing you to learn at your own schedule.
Hey everyone, it's your friend Waleed Risk. Welcome to Ruar Infinite. We're thrilled to have you here with us today.
Phone fear? You're not alone. Master calls with Ruar Infinite. Hey everyone, it's your friend Waleed Risk. Welcome to Ruar Infinite. We're thrilled to have you here with us today because, let's be honest, how many times have you picked up the phone and struggled to keep the conversation flowing? Whether it's for work, personal matters, or just a quick check-in, mastering phone conversations is essential. And today, we're going to show you exactly how to take charge of every call, from answering with confidence to making sure your message is crystal clear.